قد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Assalamu Alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Tajweed Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. Inshallah, in today's lesson we're going to look at two ayats from Surah Al-Fatiha, Maliki yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka Nasta'in, and how to correctly recite these two ayats. So now from the 28 letters, just to quickly remind the viewer, from the 28 letters, 7 of them are what we call heavy letters. Okay, the Arabs used to pronounce these letters with heaviness. 2 letters, part-time heavy, part-time light. Depends on what's on top of the letter, what's before the letter. And the rest of the letters in the Arabic language are considered to be from the light letters. Letters are pronounced with empty mouth. So we start from here. So mim, the first letter here. Does mim go under the heavy letters group? Part-time, heavy part-time light or light letters. Mim will be in the light letters, in the group, this last group, the rest of the letters. So we say ma, and not ma. If we say maliki, that means we would have made the mim just like the heavy letters. Ha, sa, ma. We don't want ma. We don't want ma. It's ma, maliki. And if you can see here, after the mim there's an alif, sakin, non-vowel letter. No fatha, kasra, dhamma, the vowels, a, I, u. So if we said if there's a letter that has no vowels, and preceded by, if there's an alif that has no vowel, preceded by letter that has a fatha, okay, and we're not stopping on that word, okay, we're not stopping on that word, then what do? Then we're going to stretch this to 2 counts. These letters here, the alif, okay, ya and waw, these are the letters of mad, okay. Mad means to stretch and extend. So these 3 letters, they'll affect the stretching or extending of the letter before that, okay, which is in this case is the mim. Okay, and the stretching part, it can be from 2 counts up to 6 counts. And a count is the time that it takes you to say 1 letter. So ma will be ma, and the second will be 1 count. Ma, this is 2 counts. Yeah? So here, mad tabi'i, this first, in the first word here, the mim has a fatha followed by an alif. So we're going to stretch it to 2 counts. Maliki. Can we do more than 2? Can we say Maliki? No. Maliki. Can we do 1 count? Can we say Maliki? Yes and no. In our mode of recitation, Hafs and Asim, okay, which most of the ummah are, this mode of recitation, most of the ummah are reciting this way. We cannot do that. But in other modes of recitations, then yes, you can say Maliki. But in Hafs and Asim, our mode of recitation, no. So we cannot pick words from other modes of recitation and apply it here. Okay, so either you study the other modes of recitation or Hafs and Asim. So here, Maliki. We're going to stretch it to 2 counts. Maliki. Here we have a kaf. I highlighted in red because this is from the common mistakes of kaf. Common mistakes in pronouncing kaf. A lot of people, they say Malik Yawmi. If you say Malik Yawmi, that means you did not give the kaf clear kasra. Maliki. And to do that, we open our mouth as if we're smiling. Maliki Yawmi. And not Malik Yawmi. If you say Malik Yawmi, then you're doing a sukoon on the kaf, which is wrong. Maliki has to sound clear kaf first. So Maliki, and we don't put extra ya and stretch the kaf to 2 counts, like how some people recite Maliki Yawmi. Maliki, it's Maliki. Ki. Kasra has 1 count. Ki. But kasra with the ya, ki. So Maliki. So here we have the word Yawmi. It has a fatha. Whenever you see a letter that has a fatha preceded by a waw sakin, okay, waw with a sukoon, then we have to be very careful in not pronouncing it in between a fatha and a kasra, in the middle. So it's not yawmi. If you say yawmi, it's in between fatha and a kasra, okay, which is wrong. So it's not yawmi. It sounds like an O. There's no O in Arabic. It's not yawmi. But ya, يومي فتحة مالكي يومي مالكي يومي no مالكي يومي مالكي مالكي يومي مالكي يومي. And we have the word الدين here. Okay, dal has a shadda, and we said the shadda here implies there's two letters. Okay, number one is that the first dal has a sakina, second dal has a kasra. So يوميddin مالكي يوميddin no يوميddin مالكي يوميddin. I have to make sure that it's pronounced as a dal, ad-din, and not ta. If I say Maliki yawmiddin, okay, this is changing to a ta, okay. Now, mistakes in tajweed is of two types, okay. Number one, lahnul jali, clear obvious mistakes, which this type of mistake, we're going to talk about the mistakes in tajweed, in the theory of tajweed, but inshallah, just to summarize, there's two types of mistakes. Number one, lahnul jali, clear obvious mistakes, which are haram to make. This is changing the foundation of the word. Imagine this is the word. If I take one letter out and I put another letter instead of that, or if I added another letter or took another letter, okay, this is considered lahnul jali, clear obvious mistake. We cannot do that, whether it changes the meaning or not. In this situation, it's if we say yawmiddin with a ta, we've made lahnul jali that changes the meaning, which is even worse. So if I say yawmiddin, the way I pronounce the dal, if it sounds like a ta, yawmiddin, then yawmiddin means the day of recompense, the day of judgment. But if I say yawmiddin, it means the day of figs. Okay, so this changes the meaning. Okay, so clear, obvious mistake. We have to avoid these mistakes. So yawmiddin, make sure the deen part is not pronounced in between fatha and kasra. So it's not yawmiddin, fatha, kasra, in between. Yawmiddin, not din, yawmiddin. Open our mouth this way. Yawmiddin, maliki yawmiddin, maliki yawmiddin. Here, we have the second type of mad that we learned, mad arid al-sukun. We said if we're going to stop on a word, and the second last letter of that word is one of the three letters of mad here. So ya sakina, when ya has a sukun, just like this example, preceded by a letter that has a kasra. Okay? So in this example, okay, so second last letter, we're going to stop on the word. Then this type of stretching, this type of mad, okay, so this ya is going to affect the dal. It can be stretched, we said, to 2 counts, okay, 4 counts or 6 counts, okay. All 3 ways have been transmitted from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and all the 3 ways are allowed. So I can say Maliki yawmiddin, 2 counts, or Maliki yawmiddin, 4 counts, or Maliki yawmiddin, 6 counts, okay. All 3 ways are allowed. Next one here, we have the second ayah now. So Iyyaka, if I say Iyyaka, I'm not giving the alif, it's right when it has a kasra. When alif has a kasra, it has to sound very clear. Not Iyyaka, Iyyaka. Alif has a kasra, make it very clear. Now we have a ya with the shadda here. Ya with the shadda, it means there's 2 yas, okay? So the first ya, we're going to merge it to the second ya. So Iyyaka. Iyyaka, make sure we merge it. If we do not merge it, it will sound like Iyyaka, which is wrong. We don't want it to stretch. Iyyaka, we want it to merge it. Iyyaka, not Iyyaka. No, we're going to do a 2 sharp. Iyyaka, this is not correct, okay? So Iyyaka, we open our mouth going this way. If you have a fatha, Iyyaka, so it's very clear. Iyyaka, here there's a shadda. If we drop the shadda and we only pronounce 1 ya and say Iyyaka, then the meaning would change. It will give a very serious bad meaning. Iyya in Arabic, it means the sun's light. So Iyyaka means your sun's light. If we say Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka Nasta'in, your sun's light do we worship, and your sun's light do we ask for help. Okay, so this is very serious mistake. So make sure the shadda is pronounced Iyyaka and not Iyyaka. Iyyaka, kaf is from the light letters, okay? It's not from the heavy letters, okay, or the part-time, heavy part-time light. So it's not Iyyaka. Iyyaka na'budu, not ka. Iyyaka, ka. Iyyaka, Iyyaka. After the ya, there's an alif. We said if there's an alif preceded by letter, there's a fatha, okay? In the middle of the word, we're not stopping there. It's called mad tabi'i, stretch 2 count. Iyyaka, Iyyaka, Iyyaka. Then we have the word na'budu. The ayn here has a sakin, so hold the ayn, then let go. Na'budu, na'budu. If I say Iyyaka na'budu, na'budu, I did not give the ayn its due right in its characteristic when it has a sukoon. When ayn has a sakina or sukoon, then hold, then let go. Na'budu, na'budu, Iyyaka na'budu. To say the dal correctly with the dhamma, we open our lips forward. Na'budu, na'budu, na'budu. Or else it might not sound like clear dhamma. It might sound like na'budu. Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka na'budu. Na'budu, na'budu. It's not clear dhamma. Na'budu. Iyyaka, Iyyaka na'budu, na'budu. Iyyaka na'budu. Make sure we do not add the waw after the dal. So it's not na'budu, not Iyyaka na'budu. If we added the waw, then it will be 2 counts. Na'budu. We don't want a 2 count. We want a 1 count. 1 dhamma is 1 count. Na'budu, na'budu, and not na'budu. So Iyyaka, Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka, same thing. Nasta'in. Seen how the sakin hold? Nasta'in, Nasta'in, no echo, qalqala effect. Nasta'in, Nasta'in is wrong. Nasta'in, Nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in. Make sure the ayn part is not in between fatha and kasra. So it's not fatha, kasra, in between is wrong. So it's not nasta'in, nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in is wrong. Nasta'in. Open your mouth this way as if we're smiling. Nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in. What mad is this? At the end, this is mad arid, the sukoon. Why? Because it's the second last letter. If the second last letter is one of the 3 mad letters, okay, and this situation, say ya, okay, it's got sukoon, preceded by letter the kasra, and we're stopping that word, then we can do 2, 4, or 6 mad arid, the sukoon. So we can say Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in, or 4. Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in. Or 6. Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in. All 3 ways are allowed. An important note before we finish is that if we're going to finish this ayah here, and then carry on from this next ayah, there's 2 ways of saying it. Either we're going to put a sukoon here, sakina, okay, stop with non-vowel letter, and then start from the new ayah with a new breath, okay, like this. Maliki yawmiddin, ad-din, stop with a sukoon, then with a new breath. Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in. Or you can join it, okay, by putting a kasra, continue it with the same breath, okay. It has to be with the same breath. So, Maliki yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in. We cannot stop, we cannot continue, okay, with the sukoon. We cannot put sukoon and continue with the same breath. We cannot say, Maliki yawmiddin, Iyyaka, yawmiddin, Iyyaka. No, yawmiddin, Iyyaka. Maliki yawmiddin Iyyaka. This is not allowed, okay? So it's either we stop, then with the new breath, start from Iyyaka, or continue with the same breath. Nor can we pause or stop and continue with the same breath. So we cannot say Maliki yawmiddin Iyyaka na. No, okay? It's either stop with the new breath, Iyyaka na'budu, or continue with the same breath. So going with the sukoon, Yawmiddin, Yawmiddin, Iyyaka is not allowed. No, should we stop here with this sukoon and continue with the same breath? So Maliki Yawmiddin, Maliki Yawmiddin, Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka, Iyyaka na'budu, na'budu, na'budu wa Iyyaka, Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in, nasta'in. Maliki yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in. When we say the noons at the end, we have to make sure that we don't put qalqala. So it's not Yawmiddin, Yawmiddin, Yawmiddin. No echo sound. Yawmiddin, bouncing back. Yawmiddin. No. Yawmiddin, Yawmiddin, Yawmiddin. Nasta'in, Nasta'in. Not Nasta'in, Nasta'in. مالك يوم الدين مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. So today we looked at the two ayats, مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين, and how to recite it correctly. To really get it right, okay, an advice for me is that you repeat this video again and again, and to write down the notes, inshallah, and to practice, okay, as much as you can, inshallah. In the next video, inshallah, we're going to continue from the next ayah, inshallah, Ihdina as-Sirat al-Mustaqim. Until then, jazakumullahu khaira, wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.